the flip-flop in the mud.
Look at the colours on this. Woo.
You might want to avoid this.
What's that?
What?
One of your
Yeah. Yeah, go around.
Keep going.
Here, I'll block him. Alright, do you need a hand? I'm filming a video.
Wow.
Take them off your shoes.
Oh, that's a good picture.
I'm going to take a coin and I will put it into my hand. Okay? I will put the other coin into my pocket. But my hands are super fast. When I go like this, we get two. Back to the beginning. So this time I'm going to make it more difficult. I'm going to take two coins into my hand. I'm going to put one coin into my pocket. Super fast hands. We have three. Magic, you're the psychologist. So I want to explain to you. I have no sleeves. Empty hands.
Right.
Three coins.
Yes.
I'm going to give you the option to make it the most difficult for me. You see there is a silver coin, a dull coin, and a bronze coin. So you can pick, I will take away two. But you tell me the bright one and the bronze, or the dull one and the bronze, or these two. You tell me which to take. these two. So these two, same as before, going into my hand. This one, going into my pocket. Okay? But because I really want to amaze you, I'm going to go poof.
Yeah, I was thinking there's
I don't know, a bit crazy, huh? Cards. You said you wanted to know about cards. Cards, okay. So in the Cambodian deck, they have the jokers. I'm going to take away the jokers, okay? And I invite you to. You're a casino girl. Come on, show me what you can do. I really picked the wrong one. It's a casino girl. My God.
okay, it's like this.
Any way you like. Up to you.
And here's no joker, right?
No joker.
How will I know? Maybe
You can check all.
I need to check.
I am the joker.
Because who knows? I will be super fast.
It's okay. It's normal deck of cards. No problem.
Okay, you can check.
It's like that's increasing the tension in the background, the noise of
Okay.
Okay. So Tony, I want you to help me. I want you to pick one card, and you can show the people, but don't show me.
Okay.
Okay. So pick any card you want, but don't show me. Now, I invite you to take a group of cards, like somewhere like this. So take a group of cards and put them to the table, and put this card on top. And I will put these cards on top, and I try to make it completely fair as I can do it. And the cards are a bit wet because we went hiking, a little bit sticky. But I just want to make sure they're not stuck together. The card that you picked, it was high or low? You picked the card, yes? It was high or low?
High.
Red or black?
Red.
Red. I want you. You saw the card, yes?
Yes.
I want you to look into my eyes.
Okay.
Think only of the card. Okay? That's not what you're thinking.
Okay, I'm thinking about this card.
Okay. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Do you want one?
No.
Okay. Because I think the card was heart.
Heart?
Heart?
Ah, heart.
Heart? Yes? Was the
Ah,
card
card.
heart?
Yes.
It was
Yeah,
heart?
yes.
And I think because you were the most beautiful girl here, it was the one of hearts. Ace of hearts.
Yes.
Yes?
How did you know?
Now, I looked into your eyes and I saw Irish guy reading a girl from Kazakhstan's mind. Fucking beautiful, but wow. Now, look what I do, okay? I'm going to go like this.
Yes.
Now, watch. I take your card. I'm going to put it into the middle of the deck. In here. Okay? I'm going to shuffle the cards. I'm going to cut them in half. And if I get very lucky, look into my eyes.
Don't hypnotize me. Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, I do it a different way. What I want you to do, I'm going to give you a choice of three. Okay? So. Oops, sorry. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Which one you want to pick? This one? That's okay. This one will go here. And I'll get you, because they're all with cameras. From these two, which one you want to pick? This one. Okay? I have no choice what you pick. You picked one, you picked one. I'm going to go like this.
Oh.
See, I told you, you're the most beautiful girl. The Ace of Hearts, only for you. I'll do it a different way, okay? We will go 1, 2, 3. Which one you want to pick? Okay? And Tony, for you, which one to pick? This one. Okay, I'm going to do it a different way, as I said. king is for you. Because she is the ace and you are the king.
Oh.
Yes? But I promise you the ace.
Amazing.
Oh, crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
How it works.
So anyway, you can give me a job in casino?
Now I'm not sure.
Okay. I'm going to do a different trick. It will be a different card. Okay? We'll go 1, 2, 3. Which pile you want to pick? This one? Okay, Tony, pick a pile. This one. Closest to you, we'll give to you. I don't know the card. Take a look at the top card and show everybody. And show everybody. Okay. Put the card here.
Together?
Yes, and on top. And on top. And I invite you to shuffle. The card, red or black?
We need to answer.
Mhm.
Red.
Red. High or low?
Low.
Okay. I don't want to touch the cards. I want you to put the cards into the box. And put the lid on the box. Okay? So, in the beginning time, I have the 3 jokers. Okay? From the 3 jokers, which one do you want? The first one, the second one, or the third one?
Second.
Second one. Okay? So this is the third one, and this is the first one, and this is the second one. Yes?
Yes.
How?
Only for beautiful ladies.
It's impossible.
Yes, I
Maybe
know
I'm
it.
hypnotized.
Oh my god. I don't know how you do it, but wow. It's amazing.
Yes, it's amazing.
I need to see the coin. Okay, I can do. Coin. In my country, we have the game of Monopoly. You know the game of Monopoly? And the guy in the game of Monopoly, he works in the bank and he has the... What do you call this one? The
Monocle.
Monocle.
You have name for Kazakhstan, monocle. What do you call monocle in Kazakhstan?
Monocle.
How do you spell it?
Monocle.
Monocle.
Yes, the
Okay.
same.
Watch. Watching? Oh. Oh. Mm. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
But you need to understand, the best magic of all,
I have no idea how does it work.
the best magic of all, there was no queen. Crazy, huh?
Wow. Perfect.
Thoroughly entertained.
Oh, what's this count?
Is it possible?
Is it the right one? For you.
I need to. Oh my god! It's Ace of Hearts!
Oh my god.
You keep it in your mouth or what?
Is it
So-
wet?
Not so much.
That's
Can
what
I-
she said last night.
Ah.
So anyway, you can keep this one for memento of the day.
Yes, it's my lucky card now.
You know, in Cambodia, there was like 5,000 women walking around with cards with their phones.
Yes, yes.
He's
Usually,
like, I met Tom.
sometimes they give me their phone number, not always.
Okay.
Wow.
So, which was the best trick?
Oh,
Oh,
with hearts.
I think
Coconut ideally.
But it's pink, you know, it's not red.
it's like your pink.
Ah, okay.
It matches the outfit.
Yeah, make it for you.
Okay.
Most beautiful ladies.
Thank you. It's my lucky card.
And I I think that was the purpose of me bringing this.
Of course. He didn't know it, but when he speaks to me on the phone,
like
I'm
messaging people,
subconsciously
"Someone bring a
saying,
knife along."
bring a knife, bring a knife, bring a knife. It's in the subconscious level. Bring a knife,
You'll
bring a
need a
knife,
knife.
bring a
You'll
knife.
definitely need a knife.
Oh, hey, here. Can get a picture with the
Card?
card. Yeah.
Yes, of course.